Hey, Scott Grove here from Imagine Grove for Tuesday's Tips. Tuesday's Tips. Seeing, glasses, plastic, static, dust. Bad. So I use a power hood. These are great. You can also use this kind of hood. And for those of you who are like me, you got reader glasses all over the place. And these are all plastic lenses. And the static electricity makes the dust stick to them, and it's just a pain in the ass, to see. So, anti-static plastic cleaner. I use Plexo, Castle. There's a whole bunch of brands out there, but at the end of every day or when I'm done using it, I take this, spray the inside and outside, and give that a good cleaning. I don't do it before I work, especially on the inside, because of the fumes and the moisture. But at the end of the day, it's great. And this will be clean because this static won't attract the dust. It's also great on your glasses. And that's my tip for the day. The last thing is to have it convenient. That's key. I have this little thing here, and I just right there, and that's it. So I hope that helps. Keep you seeing and working good, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Imagine Grove. Okay,